This is Young Lee from Smart Art by Young Lee. Today's video is about a child's head. Babies and children have different proportion anatomically to adults, and their head itself has also different proportion. Probably you already know that the children have bigger head for their body compared to adult, and also the eyes position in the middle of the face or the head length, and the eyes are bigger and has more expressions, and normally maybe far from each other. And the middle and lower part of the face are not developed fully, so they have a small nose and mouth. And their jaw and the chin, these are developed not fully yet, so they are looking very fine and delicate. This boy in this particular reference photo shows also the characteristic what the children would have. And we also see the features are distinguished as what his ethnic shows. He's looking up a little bit higher because we also can see his eyebrow level is a little bit lower than his ears level. We also see his part of the head which is crown is showing much amount, and underneath of his chin is not showing. It means he's tilting his head a little bit downwards, maybe because of the sun is too strong, and also his face expression shows that too. I hope this short tutorial video will show you some nice insight which you maybe didn't know or wasn't sure about, and I hope you enjoy this video and the next one, which will be a process video until this boy's portrait drawing is done. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in another video next time. Have a good day and bye!